Ladies and gents, welcome back. Another winter day. We're getting a little bit of a break in the rain, but it's been just raining miserable for days. That's all good though, because we're in the garage, it's dry. And look, Max is over.
What's up, YouTube?
We are back working on the Bultaco. Last video we did the front fender, and today we're going to attempt to start this bad boy. It takes a couple different oils, so we got to put the oils in it. And then if you see the ignition here, the frame's still powder coated, so we're going to grind that down and mount the ignition up, and hopefully we'll get some spark. But yeah, it's a little Bultaco day, so wish us luck. All right, so we're going to do a little Dremel action and come in here and just see if we can scrape off the powder coat. I don't know if it's going to work, but we'll try it. It actually works not too bad. Alright guys, it's about to get real sketchy. Check out our setup. Got the fuel bottle hooked up. Oh, gonna give it a little squirt of the go-go juice. Pop this bad boy on. Don't know if it's getting spark or what. I don't have a kill switch for it. There's only one extra thing and it's kind of blocked off, so not really sure, but we can just kill it with the carburetor. But we'll just see if it makes noise. I didn't think the fuel bottle thing through because the kick starts on the wrong side. Did you notice that, Max?
No, I did not until right now.
I failed at that. That. And choke on. Ugh. This is horrible. Horrible. I'll try to kick it with my left foot, I suppose. It doesn't allow for very much kick through. Alright guys, we are all types of perplexed. All types of perplexed. Max and I have been working on the Bultaco here, and we are not getting any spark, like at all. So, took her apart, trying to figure out what's going on. But I think we just got some old electronics, and we tried running everything every which way, but just not really working out for us. So tomorrow I'm going to give Tim a call over at Hughes Bultaco and see what he thinks, whether what we should replace first. I saw online they do make some electronic ignitions for it, so maybe we'll go that way. But if we can get away with just putting a new coil on it, I think the coil might be bad. Unfortunately, on this style of coil you can't replace the spark plug cord, which is really silly. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at, and we'll pick up tomorrow. Max, any thoughts?
I'm gonna go with the old coil. Hopefully we can find a replacement or
something. So if you guys know any tricks of the trade, I made sure we sanded off this big time and made sure we were using jumpers and jumping grounds and all that stuff just to make sure all the connections were good, and we're getting about 6 volts out of it. It just, once we got power going into the coil and no coming out, kind of makes you think it's the coil.
40-year-old electronics.
Yeah, 40-year-old, yeah, that's right. But yeah, as always, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you tomorrow on the next one.